In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get melee and knives here in generic blood sandbox shooter on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, open up the game and you need to go over to the melee section. You can just go ahead and open up your loadout and then you'll see melee on here. And then from here, you can go ahead and view all of the melee items available. There's a bunch of stuff on here. You're going to have like your standard knives, axes, hammers, guitars, stop signs, other items. There's claws on here. There is a ton of stuff. So essentially just go through here, find whatever one you want. And once you have it, just close your loadout after selecting it and it's going to appear in your inventory. And then you can go ahead and use this as well. So for example, I could go up and start spam attacking this guy just like so. I will be honest, I feel like the melee stuff is just not too strong. Obviously you could charge up and make it more powerful, but even then I just feel like it's not as good. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.